And here we are with another macro video, and this one is super interesting because it just allows us to switch the form off. How cool is that? So if I go ahead and run the form, you'll see we have our default form application, just as we had in some of those previous videos. And if you haven't checked those out, be sure to check those out because these macros are super helpful. Okay, so within our form application, I will come to events and on script init, one of the best events there is, of course. And in here, I will type sc_form_show, and that, well, that will equal off. And just like that, I will switch the form off. So now if I go run, let me see, I will have no more form. Funny enough, it has been switched off. Look at that. You have nothing to look at no more because the form has been switched off. Now, isn't that an awesome little macro? Well, I'm hoping to have sound effects at some point. We'll see how that one goes. But for now, I hope you enjoyed this macro and use it also within your blank applications. Get the joke? Well, maybe next time.